Welcome to C# for daily use. Today, we're diving into the world of C# programming, specifically exploring the differences between strings and string builders. If you've ever wondered about the performance implications and when to use one over the other, you're in the right place. We'll also demonstrate these concepts with a practical example in a Windows Forms application. So, let's get started. Introduction to strings and string builders. Strings are immutable in C#. Once a string is created, it cannot be changed. Any modification results in a new string object. This creates a new string, which may impact performance. String Builder is mutable and designed for efficient string manipulation. So it allows modifying the same instance without creating a new one. This modifies the existing String Builder instance. Strings may lead to memory overhead and performance hits due to constant object creation. String Builder is more efficient for building or modifying strings, reducing memory usage and improving performance. Let's jump into a practical example using Windows Forms. Demonstration of a simple application to see the performance differences between String and StringBuilder. First, I create a small UI for our example. It will be a performance test between String and StringBuilder. After this is done, we can set up some variables like a string and string builder that we need for our battle. In this test, we just use a for loop to generate some work. With the stopwatch class, we can measure the time that each loop needs. We set up one for a string and one for a string builder. Now we are ready for the battle. Let's decrease first the iterations and then we can start. And did you thought that the difference regarding time consuming is so big? So it makes sense to use String Builder instead of String if you work much with this. You want more? Just set your input in the comments. Thank you for watching. Feel free to leave a comment with ideas, wishes, or improvements for further content. If you like my videos, I would be happy about a like for the video. If you want to support me further and not miss any videos, just subscribe to my channel.